G'day, it's Brian from powerplanter. People ask me, what happens if you hit a rock when you're digging with a powerplanter or a big tree root? Is it going to hurt the powerplanter? Is it going to break it? No, it's not. This thing is made in the USA. It's great quality steel. You can go for broke, digging stony ground and everything. This thing will not break. And if it does break, we're going to replace it anyway. If you bend it out of shape or something like that, you just send us a photo. We're going to send you a new one as part of the lifetime guarantee. Now, how do we make it safe for you to dig when you hit a rock or something and it doesn't hurt your wrists? It's all in the drill settings. The thing is, you have to use an 18-volt drill, a cordless drill, not a 240-volt drill. Very important. 240-volt drills run too fast and they don't have a clutch to protect your wrist, which you're going to see is what is so important. You put the drill speed on number 1. Here we go, number 1 on the drill here, that's number 1 for slow. And then you put it on screwdriver mode. Now on this drill here, we've got hammer mode, drill mode, screwdriver mode. Now on your drill, you mightn't have all these different symbols. You might only have 1 of them or 2 of them. If you don't have the symbols at all, these numbers here will do the same thing. So we put it onto screwdriver mode there and we turn the numbers here on the actual clutch to adjust the clutch setting. Now, how does that work? Just pan the camera out and I'm going to show you a bit of a demo here. I'm going to put the drill onto number 1, which is the lowest clutch setting. And when I attempt to drill with it, when I attempt to dig, it's going to cut out. Watch. See how it stops spinning straight away, but it protected my wrist. It didn't do anything. Now, obviously that's useless, isn't it? So we turn it up to a higher number. I've put it up to number 7 or 8 there. And you can see it's allowing me to dig more, but if I press down hard, it stops working and you hear that crunching sound. That crunching is not hurting the drill at all. That's the clutch inside disengaging the motor, but it's protected my wrist from any jarring, any twisting. Now, if you've got decent arm strength, you can switch it all the way up to one of the higher numbers here. So I'll put it up to number 21, which is what I usually use it on. And then I can dig away knowing that even if I hit a rock, it's not going to hurt me. See how you can hear it there? I've actually hit it onto a root. There's a liquid amber here and it's gone onto the root there, but it hasn't jarred and hurt my wrist. I just put it in reverse and then I'm ready to go again, just from a different angle. So that's how you use it. Don't worry about the rocks and the tree roots and hurting your wrist. It's totally safe. This tool is getting used by people all the way into their 80s and they love it. Even people in wheelchairs and various arthritis and things are using powerplanters because it is totally safe to use. You don't need super arm strength like you would with your normal manual tools, and you can get out there and dig that ground and grow that beautiful garden.